In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a price alert, a handy tool that can significantly enhance how you monitor market fluctuations. Whether you are an experienced trader or just starting out, setting up a price alert ensures that you never miss a critical moment in the market. Follow along as we break down this process into simple, actionable steps. To get started, you'll first want to open your toolbox. This is done by pressing Ctrl and T on your keyboard. The toolbox is a central hub within your trading platform where you can access several useful tabs and features. Once you have the toolbox open, you'll notice there's an Alerts tab. Navigate your cursor over to this tab and click on it to access the Alerts section. This area is dedicated to managing and creating alerts, providing you with the flexibility to customize notifications to suit your trading strategies. Now that you're on the Alerts tab, the next thing you'll do is right-click within this area. This action will bring up a context menu where you'll find the option to Create. Go ahead and select Create, and this will prompt a setup window where you'll fill in the details for your new alert. In the setup window, you'll first need to specify the symbol for which you want to set an alert. For example, you might be monitoring the currency pair EUR/USD. It is crucial to choose the correct symbol because this determines the asset about which you will receive notifications. Once the symbol is set, you'll move on to define the condition of your alert. This could be when the bid price is greater than a certain level or less than a particular threshold, among other conditions. Choosing the right condition depends on what market movements are important to you and what strategies you're employing. After setting the condition, the next step is to specify the value. This is your target price level. For instance, if you're setting an alert because you are anticipating a rise above a particular price, you'll enter that value here. Being precise with the value ensures you're alerted at exactly the right moment. Double-checking this field is always a good idea to ensure you don't miss out on crucial trading opportunities. Once you've completed these fields, the symbol, the condition, and the value, all that remains is to confirm your settings. Click OK to save your alert. At this point, your price alert is active, and you will receive a notification once the conditions you've set are met. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully created a price alert that will help you stay informed and responsive to market changes. Thanks for watching and happy trading.